Hello everybody, welcome to Easy VoIP at Flyingvoice. I'm Steve.
I'm Megan.
Hi Megan.
Hi,
Last
Steve.
time we introduced the FRPS work with the Meta switch.
Yes.
Today we will introduce the FRPS work with Cisco Broadworks.
Yes.
This will help customers to easy configuration Flyingvoice IP phones.
Yes.
So at first, could you review what is the FRPS?
Okay, no problem. This is a telephone system, and this is a RPS server. The Cisco Broadworks is at here, the auto provisioning server. So in the first step, our phone is connected to the RPS system by default. We have a provisioning URL directed to the RPS.
Okay, so hold on, questions. So the phone, that means the new phone, factory out, there's no configurations.
Yes.
But this phone's in default config, it will be connected to our RPS servers.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, and RPS, what will happen in RPS?
Okay, and then when the customer has another provisioning server to set the configurations, they can log into the RPS server's interface to input the provisioning server's URL. After that, our RPS will redirect the phone to the provisioning server, and then it will get the configurations from the real provisioning server.
Okay, so in this case, and the carriers or ITSPs need not set up each phone by manual.
Yes, no need.
Yeah, just fill some information in the RPS servers, and the phone will transfer to the right provision servers. In this case, is Broadworks automatically.
Yes,
okay.
That's right. It is automatically provisioning, and it will achieve zero touch for the phone system when we deploy it.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that is the basic principle for the FRPS. And today, Megan will show step by step how Flyingvoice phones work with Cisco Broadworks.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Now we can see two phones on the desk, and they are in the factory default settings.
That is new phones.
Yes.
No configurations.
Yes,
and
no
power.
configurations. Okay. Correct. And now first we need to go to the Broadsoft web interface.
No.
Yeah.
That is what is a tech vision?
This is a tester company for the Broadsoft.
Interoperate test service company. We use their test platform for Broadworks.
Yes, that's right.
Is there some information about Broadworks?
We can, yes.
Broadworks mobility.
Yeah, Broadworks.
Okay, that's good.
Mobility.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And on this platform, we already created some tester extensions to make the phone calls. So now we can go to resources to select a template for the phones.
Yeah. And assign the phone number to the phones with a MAC address.
Yes,
okay.
That's right. Now we go to groups. Click on search, it will display all the groups we created before.
Okay.
Yeah. Select the group 2. Okay. This is where our extensions located. Yeah. And then go to resources and go to identity device profiles. Click on add. Okay, now we can set up a profile name. Today we will set up P11, this phone model, so I will name it as P11. And select the profile type.
To the Flyingvoice?
Yes, to the Flyingvoice.
Okay.
And then change transport to a UDP. You can also select others. It is depend on your real requirements. We use UDP today. And then enter the MAC address of the phone.
Okay.
Yeah, we can check the MAC address of the phone on the label or on the status page of it.
Yeah, that is the two symbols we prepared here.
Yes, we already prepared the MAC address information. And here we have an authentication section. We can use the custom authentication information.
How can I get the password? What is password?
This password is used to when the phone first connected to the device, it will verify, the server will verify the device with this password. And then later we can set up this password on the RPS. It will also send to the phone.
That is a default password?
Yeah, it is a default password, but you can create it. You can set it up.
Yeah. But how to set up the password? It is storage in the IP phones or the FRPS or the Cisco?
On the RPS. Later.
Only work for RPS?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, okay. And click on OK.
That is first time to, okay. Oh,
yes,
I understand.
for the first time connection. Okay, after selected template, now we go to band this device to an extension. Then we go to profile, go to users. Click search to search for the extensions we created before. Okay, and then select the extensions.
Select the extension number.
Yes, extension number, and then go to addresses. Okay, and then we change this device profile to the one we created just now.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yes.
Okay.
And then set up the extension number under this section.
Okay.
Yeah. Then click on apply.
So, until now, the preparation on the Broadworks for one phone has been ready.
Yes, it is ready. That's all the settings.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we are going to check the provisioning URL on the platform. Click on Configure Identity Device Profile.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can see this is the provisioning URL for this device, and we copy this.
Yeah, that is a real provision field.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. We copy
here. Later we will set up to the FRPS system.
Yes, that's right. Okay. Next step, and we go to FRPS system.
Yeah, but we just finished the one phone. We should set up another later.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we repeat the same steps to configure the second phone.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, still the same, change the template to the one we created just now.
Yeah.
And enter the extension number. Click on apply.
Yeah. So the second phone has been ready.
Yes, it is ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then next?
Okay, now we can go to the FRPS system to create some profiles.
Okay, so until now we have finished the configuration jobs on the Broadworks.
Yes.
But the phone do not know where is the provision server.
Yes.
So we are also to set up some information in the FRPS.
Yes, that's
okay,
right.
Let's go.
Okay. Now we log into the FRPS system. Then go to Profile Manage and add a profile. The profile name, we can use Broadsoft P11. This is for the first phone. And copy the provisioning URL here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So this is the username and the password we set up just now. We need to enter the username and the password here.
Oh, that password is same we configured in the Broadworks system.
Yeah, it is the same.
Okay.
Because Broadsoft will use this username and password to verify the phone. So we need to make sure it is the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in the URL, there is no MAC address information. And the MAC address information should be communicated between the Broadworks and the phone.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Add success. And we add another one for the second phone.
Okay.
The provisioning URL is the same, and the username and password is a little bit different.
Yeah. So the password will change later by the Broadworks system.
Yes.
So it is also security, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now we go to Device Manage. and to register the device. Unit type is the model number.
In these operations, we should register both phones to the FRPS system.
Yes.
Okay.
And the serial number.
The server number and MAC address we can get from the phone.
Yes, from the phone.
Create phone.
Yeah, and the MAC address. And select a profile name. It is the profile we just created.
Okay.
It's loading. And select the profile we just created, and click on confirm. Yeah, it's done for the first phone, and we'll register the second one.
Okay, select the model name first.
Yes.
And input the MAC address and the server number.
Yes.
Okay.
And select the
Perfect.
profile.
We set up just now.
Yes.
Okay.
Click on confirm. Okay. That's all the configurations we need to do on the FRPS system. Now we can see the redirected status is not redirected because the device is powered off. Yes.
Okay.
Now we can see the redirected status is not redirected because the device is powered off. It is not connecting to the RPS server yet.
Okay, that is a both phone.
Yes.
And we can power on now.
Yes, we can power it on now.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah.
So the phones, when the phones power on, it will try to connect it to the RPS automatically.
Yes.
And he will transfer his information such as MAC address to the FRPS phones, FRPS platform. And the FRPS platform will tell the phones what is the real platform it should be work with together.
Yeah.
So it will be transferred to the Cisco Broadworks in our test case today.
Yes, that's
Okay,
right.
let's watch.
Yeah.
Ah,
等它起机之后，
yeah.
起机了吗？ Okay. Now we try to refresh the page. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we can
interesting.
see the redirected status already changed to redirected. So
What does it mean? Yeah.
It means the phone already get the provision URL from the RPS system.
Okay.
Yeah.
So redirected means the phone is trying to connect it to the Cisco Broadworks.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
The phone is auto reboot. That means it has been connected to the birth of the works.
Yes, it already get the configurations like the extension number.
That's great. Oh,
Yeah.
that one is okay.
This one is registered,
Yeah.
and we'll wait for this one.
Okay.
我看一下它的分级号是
Oh, Flyingvoice. Both phone is registered. What's the phone number? What's your phone number?
3530.
Here is the name, not the number.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try 3530.
Yeah. Okay, it's raining.
Hello, Megan.
Yeah. Hi, Steve.
Okay, that's good. Successful.
Successful.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, that's all for today.
Yes, we introduced how to auto provisioning our phones with Cisco Broadworks. Yeah.
That's good. Happy New Year.
Yeah. Happy New Year and
And see you next time.